of you talk to me, not all
Here,
three
I'm
of
gonna talk to you. My name is Officer Wade, Tulsa Police.
Okay.
Will you walk my way?
I am.
Is there anybody else inside the house besides your wife? Keep coming.
I got less than. Do you want me to come with you, Mac?
Hey, man, keep.
This is 29.
There's two windows right here. An open window up front.
Sir, you come out with your hands up. Keep coming my way. Keep coming.
You have a weapon on you?
Got a phone.
No weapons?
No
Come on
weapons.
out. Okay, come on out, come on
Wait a
out.
minute, one of you talk to me, not all
Here,
three
I'm
of
gonna talk to you. My name is Officer Wade, Tulsa Police.
Okay.
Will you walk my way?
I am.
Is there anybody else inside the house besides your wife? Keep coming. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you step over here with these officers, and I'm gonna go into your wife.
All right, come on. Let's go right here.
Okay, I'm gonna walk out here to the curb with you, okay? Okay, let's walk right out here, okay? You can hang up the phone now if you'd like.
Okay.
This is her phone. I don't even know how to do this.
Okay, I got it. Let's walk out here by the fire trucks, okay? My name's Officer Eldridge. What's your name, sir?
Chuck Bradley.
Chuck? Okay. All right, Chuck, I'm gonna have you come over here with me, okay? We're gonna let you talk to fire for a second, all right? I'm gonna keep your wife's phone on her. Yeah, we'll get him for you. Okay. Sir, I'm gonna have to put you in handcuffs, okay? You're just being detained. You're not under arrest, okay? Hey, can one of y'all's cars come up here, please? I need a car. Just for now, to set him in. I'm gonna get a car up here and let him sit in it.
Okay.
Just sit down first with your bottom, and then it'll be easier that way. There you go. And then sit down and lean your head in. You're just sitting in here so we don't have you out in the cold, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you get your feet in? This is a husband. He's just detained for now, and
What? Did he say anything?
I haven't asked him. Until they know what they want me asking him, I'm not gonna.
Oh. Anything?
Ma'am?
She gone. Oh, let's start crime scene. Yeah. I've got a spent round here.
Okay, just try not to disturb anything. Just tell us what you see.
We've got two empty casings in here.
See a gun?
No gun.
No gun?
Not yet. Hey Wade, ask him if he knows where the gun's at. I've got a spent round right here. We're missing one. I've got two casings here, one projectile here. It looks like it hit the door over here, and we're still missing one. Casings in here.
You see a gun? No gun? Right here.
An officer then read Bradley his Miranda rights. He was then asked to recall what had happened. The police soon realized that they were getting different stories from Bradley.
Miranda card. You want to read a Miranda?
Yep.
I'll get mustache window.
Hey, sir, I'm Officer McKenzie with Tulsa Police. What was your name, sir?
Chuck Bradley.
Mr. Bradley, I gotta read these to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can only be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. I gotta read these to you through and through first, okay?
Am I being arrested?
Just a second, sir.
Okay.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to make a statement, you may stop at any time. Do you understand the rights I explained to you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
I'm sorry?
You wish to talk to us now, sir, about what happened tonight?
I can tell you what I know, yeah.
Okay. Give us just a second, okay? You remember what all happened tonight?
I really don't. her phone alarm is going off.
Know her name, but I know she has 2 upper right bullet wounds.
Upper right, like
Right
up
up in
here.
And there's some other stuff, but she is shot. There is 2 bullet wounds to her upper right portion of her body, over her shoulder area. There is a Glock, 2 casings. The Glock is still loaded. Yeah, I went ahead and just said, as of right now, he's gonna be our suspect. He's in the back of the car.
Yeah.
And everything else is taped off.
Yeah, it's all inside. There's not much of a canvas. The only neighbor that.
Yeah, I just had everybody that were out here go talk to neighbors to kind of see if they knew their situation here or whatever.
The guy in the corner down there said they kind of keep to themselves, stay inside. He knows the old man who lives here is kind of a grouchier dude.
Okay.
He like turned away his kids when they tried to sell them like those football coupon cards. Is anyone else you need to talk to?
No.
I'm gonna roll down the window for you a little bit because it gets a little stuffy in here, okay?
I appreciate that.
Yes, sir. Where are you from, sir?
Originally?
Yes, sir.
I'm originally from a little town in South Arkansas.
Yeah, I can kind of hear it in your voice a little bit. What town is it?
El Dorado.
El Dorado? Okay. I'm from here.
From where?
I'm from here, Tulsa. What? West Tulsa.
I've been here. I came here to go to Spartan in 1971.
Really? Were you in the military?
Having a mortar attack.
Tonight?
Yes.
Really?
And,
What happened in the dream?
well, so I don't see anything.
So you're supposed to see your psychiatrist, you said? They didn't give you a new one?
I got a letter in the mail that says go do this and go do that.
But you haven't been able to yet?
I'm sorry.
You just, have you not been able to?
I'm able, I just didn't know that I was supposed to.
Okay, I see. Okay.
He may have discharged me, I don't know. And I'm not trying to blame any of this on PTSD, but I don't know what the connection is with all this mayhem or confusion.
Right. Yeah, sorry we couldn't grab shoes. They might be able to after we're done talking here, and we'll just go from there, okay? Alright, the bathroom's gonna be through here to the left, I think. Yeah. Yep. Down this hallway.